What's up, homie? I'm Tony. Clients who find us for sign making for the first time would usually ask these questions. Where we located, how to order and ship, how much it take to make an LED sign. Can we ship to my country? So today, let me answer them together. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and get latest news about us. First, we're located in Guangzhou, Baiyun, in Guangdong Province. The distance between factory and office is about 2 kilometers. We're also close to Baiyun Airport, only half an hour away by subway. It's convenient for you to visit. Second, how to order and ship. Just send us your logo or business name you need and the size, pieces you want along with the shipping address. Then our salesperson will recommend a style that best suits your needs and provide the quote for you. We usually ship by FedEx and DHL. The delivery time is about 5 to 7 days. Third, how much to make a neon LED sign? Most of our signs are customized. The price depends on design and size. If you find a style you like on our social media, you can send it to us to get more info. The last, can you ship to my country? We can ship worldwide, no MOQ on most products. Our services can meet most of the people. We are a sign manufacturer for 14 years. If you're looking for a reliable source factory, you find the right person. For own use or business, we accept customization, and we can create many eye-catching styles. This is LCSIGN. Follow us, let us be your business partner in China.